Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start channel, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to upload a favicon to your website. So a favicon is this image here which you'll see on your tab at the top of the page, and also they'll add an image on the search results like Google or Bing, so you'll actually see that image at the side of your results. So how do you add this image? Well, if we go down to settings, general settings, and then scroll down, and you'll see here that you can actually add your favicon. So the actual size that they suggest you upload is 512 by 512 pixels. That's 512 by 512 pixels. And then the software will reduce it down to whatever is required, which will be a 16 by 16 pixel, or depending on which browser you actually work on. So anyway, click on here, choose an image, and then what you'll be able to do is upload that image from your computer, and then it will appear here. Save changes. And then when you've done that, if you refresh your page, you'll see your image will appear up here. And then when your actual web page gets indexed, then you'll actually see the image at the side of your result. So, like I say, just a quick way of uploading your favicon to your website. And in the next video, what I'll do, we'll go on to settings, and we'll have a look at SEO and meta tags, which is quite an important thing when you upload your first web page, so the search engines have got an idea of actually what is on this page. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.